Hi, my friends, my brother and sister. Today I want to come and read for you about the callings of the first disciple. The calling of the first disciple. When he double the calendar, when he error pane he pane to bakal bigdema tako wala tam watama po shukte. When he meta la taitaklo kaisiklo. Okay, my friends and my brother and sister, thank you. Welcome to the Holy Bible Wars. Double the talk a little bit, the Lissosi, Pictermala, attack to the panelo. The Nine Bear or Hepatico Lissosi, Tabak Trebacarpane. Here is the want to come and read for you about. The Bible today is on days of Jesus was standing by the lake of Gennesaret with the people crowding around him and listening to the word of God. Listen to the word of God. Pain it Pethinyala away Mawara Dinilo. Bamnukule Tevra do Tama Thala Pogomutani or Le Akana who you are looking at a word or you are looking at a word. A weather or settle a queenie nary pinecora, queenie narita anido. K, let an curaro, Pacro Patu Pata of Tampura, Kane Paclequa Casuani Teoradilem. Paine, he saw as the waters, H2 boats, left theirs by the fishermen who was washing their nets. When a petibala away tevra paylo do tea kabokibi tuto ata le queenie do pamanya the paha toller apu do thiqui salo pamanya paharo apu le apu do thiqui salo do paini thirty pagale papa le manitimile tevra paini pagate man. He got into one of the boats, the one belonging to Simon, and asked him to put out a little from shore. Then he sat down and tossed the people from the boat. Little Kura Patinyala away ni Pagdamala, away lenuera, do lenuela cabo, the bill a miss or shimo ata, do he what to. So suto do kuni to say do sino wele kabopu do tuki toki pagamunilo. Okay, tuki pagamulo. Okay, mimi dinero pain it bakle quaquat sepo, David Adile. Okay, one he has finished speaking himself to Simon, pay away katura do suti etasite lota do sibas or Simon. Okay. When it Simon put out into deep water and let down the nets for a catch. Pagitano mala pain it Tevra took on Nagabosu tea di tu can ne onyado plalo to sanaki Pagitano tea pain it. Okay. Let them go out of Pacro Patu Patala tag look I say pain it Paglecola. No hygienic body. Number 5 talk about Simon answer, Master, we have worked hard all night and haven't caught anything. But then my so Simon saw Devera Sizitara Siba or Casal, Pamati thought knuckle, do Pataneba Tanormiba. Okay, Pataneba Tanormiba. Okay. Do Panero Basado mean Neculu Hudo, Yaka Plalo Salo. Pedro Devra left down the nest for a cat. Simon answered, Penny Devra because you say so, I will let down the nest. But then, Cobluno Nessi, Asado, Cobluno Neglu Huni, Yakaplano Salo, or when it to that dinner. Okay, number 6 talk about the little bit here. When they had done so, because a larger number of fish there, their nests began to break. Pagiteramala, do me love paned, do mawe dinido, ni nyawomu pado, do asha kayati do di to aguma ulu kabo awedibi pu kehema se odo we walk or shulo away ne look olawa punine Pagdema Penny when he has done so Penny Tebra so this Penny these sinners their partner and the other boys to come and help them and they come and fill both boats to so fill that they began to sink. When a packet mala do pay do a wetty heko do mapek about keeping it to a calob letilo. Me pocanyo clony quera pupuko panelo. Ge honey teba podile ace talk about one Simon Peter saw that he fell at Jesus' knees and said, Pagetano fell at Jesus' knees and said, Go away from me. Lord, I am a sinful man. Do pani patinya le tera so Peter. Pani so Simon Peter tita do tologdiklo le Yesu ame. Yesu akoli kudo siweda. Kasa hatosa le yudiki agidi yame pwata de ba pulo. Okay, agidi yame pwata de ba pulo. 9 talk about for he and all his opinion were astonished at the catch of fish they has taken. Okay, when it packet mala, Tevra agiri away that door pa odo or killer ni kamala amani nyawamu aholo. Okay, no panero patinyala. The senior table am so where Jane and John, the son of Zebedee, Sam, Simon, okay, partners. When he bad thing yellow door saw Zebedee Pukwa so Yakudo so you had a miss or Simon Agomoni, Masiko at that dinner at the door yes receive so Simon pleadadigi to Isunyani Nakaponi Paganyolo. Let us go to painted am so painted. Then Jesus said to them, just said to Simon, don't be afraid. Okay, don't be afraid. From now on, you will cast man. Let us go to 11 talk about so they pull us their boats up so let's everything him. Do particular tamata did pie delay. Do to a two talk a baller. Kudo aweti had the attacker first disciple. You had to do something miracle in front of them because they don't believe. But then man eroko wa pagdana tama putukagani mama talon with him and ya the mimi made me vado aweti tananaba hutaro moya sugiki lutar or sweep work on again. That's why God bless you and God bless his words. And God bless you all. Thank you so much, my friends and my brothers and sisters. You want to read that? You can read that. Luke chapter 5, 1 to 11 there. Name eropani kipagwa. Le Luca said do ye. Shabuto de lo sitanelo. Bye bye. See you next time.